Hi, welcome back to the episode 3 of How to Dance Salsa. I hope you are watching and learning all together. If you have any doubt regarding any steps, you can please put down in the comments and we'll reply back to you. My partner PARINI again.
Hi.
Okay. Right now we're going to start directly with a new step today that is called as crossover. So we start with the crossing step first. We step with cross, open, and we cross it again, and we cross, open, we cross again. We do it again. It's cross, open, cross, cross, open, cross. We do the whole thing with the fast beats on the counts right now. We start with 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. To go back on the original place, we can do the basic to take it back. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. So you're back to the original place. Okay, the next new step today is called as toe, heel, cross. The name of the step itself is toe, heel, cross. How we start with it is we put the feet on toe, we put it out on heel, and we cross it. We put it on toe, we put it on heel, and we cross it. We put it on toe, heel, and we cross. We put it on toe, heel, and cross. While putting it on toe, you just need to put it inside. The knee has to come inside. It will give you more style. Okay, the whole thing now we do it from the basic, side dip, inside out, side cross, right turn, right crossover. We take 2 basics to come back, and toe, heel, cross, everything on the music. So you're clear with the whole chapter with this one. We start with the music, please. Okay, on the counts with 1 on 3. We go 5, 6, 7. We go on 1. We take short steps when it's the faster music. 1 and side basic. 1, 2, and 1. Side dip. 1, 2, dip. 1, 2, dip. One more time. 1, 2, dip. 1, 2, and inside out. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Side cross. We go 1, cross, 5, cross, 1, cross, 5, right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Crossover and cross, open, cross, cross, open, cross, cross, open, cross. 2 basics to go back. 1, 5, 1, 5, and toe heel cross, toe heel cross, toe heel cross, toe heel cross, and toe heel cross. Great. I think this is much clearer to you, right? The next one, we do it again with the partners now, the next episode. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Bye.